pun murahnya.
However cheap it is, however cheap it is, we don't want it.
Sekarang, berlatihlah dengan mengulangi ungkapan-ungkapan ini.
However cheap it is, however cheap it is, we don't want it.
Bagus. Sekarang, cara lain untuk menyatakan pendapat itu.
It doesn't matter how cheap it is, we don't want it. It doesn't matter how cheap it is, we don't want it.
Kedua kalimat itu sama artinya. Keduanya dapat dimulai dengan
However cheap it is,
atau dengan ungkapan
It doesn't matter how. It doesn't matter how cheap it is.
Mari kita berlatih lagi dengan mengulanginya.
it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how cheap it is. It doesn't matter how cheap it is, we don't want it.
Bagus. Kini beberapa latihan lagi. Saudara akan mendengar kalimat dengan kata however. Misalnya,
However nice it is, we don't want it.
dan ubahlah menjadi kalimat dengan memakai it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter how nice it is. We don't want it.
Ulangilah jawaban yang benar sesudah saudara mendengarnya. Siap?
However cheap it is, we don't want it.
It doesn't matter how cheap it is. We don't want it.
However big it is, we don't want it.
It doesn't matter how big it is. We don't want it.
However convenient it is, we don't want it.
It doesn't matter how convenient it is. We don't want it.
However modern it is, we don't want it.
It doesn't matter how modern it is. We don't want it.
Mari kita kembali pada percakapan tadi.
Mr. Jones, I understand. You don't really want to buy this house, do you?
That's right. My wife and I have made up our minds, and we don't want to buy it.
Don dan Jane kembali ke rumah orang tua Jane, dan mereka sedang bercakap-cakap dengan Bert dan Margaret. Mereka sedang cuti 1 minggu dari pekerjaan untuk melihat rumah-rumah itu.
You look exhausted, Jane.
Oh, we've looked at dozens of houses. We've been looking every day this week.
And we've been ringing up estate agents.
And also looking in the paper every morning and driving for hours.
Oh, I'm glad it's over.
But it isn't finished, is it?
You haven't found a house, have you?
No, we haven't, but we've stopped looking.
Stopped looking? But why?
Yes, although we haven't found a house, we've stopped looking.
But you mustn't stop. I know it's very tiring, dear. On the other hand, you must find a house near Don's new job. It's such a good job, too, with a very attractive salary.
In my opinion, you could still live where you are and drive to work each morning.
Yes, but it's a long way to drive, isn't it?
Well, on the other hand, you could catch the train. Of course, it still takes a long time. However, it's up to you, Don, isn't it?
Don, you aren't saying anything.
However good the job is, I don't want it.
But, Don, the salary...
It doesn't matter how attractive the salary is, Mum. He doesn't need it.
Doesn't need... What do you mean?
Listen to this. It's a letter from the director of my company. Dear Mr. Jones, we would like to offer you a new position in our company.
That's interesting.
Shh, listen.
We understand how difficult your situation has been lately.
Oh, it's been terrible. Don's boss has been absent, and he's been doing 2 jobs.
However, we have made several changes and would now like to offer you the position of Deputy General Manager.
Deputy General Manager? Goodness, it sounds important.
You would have 2 assistants and a new office. Although you wanted to resign, we hope you will now reconsider and change your mind. In our opinion, the new job will be very rewarding. We would also offer an attractive increase in salary.
Sounds good, Don.
Yes, isn't it marvellous? So we'll be staying here, in our old house, with our friends and family. What's more, I can stay in my job, too.
Congratulations, Don. And Jane.
Cukup sekian, saudara pendengar, pelajaran kita untuk hari ini. Jangan lupa membaca bagian kedua dari pelajaran ini dan bagian pertama dari pelajaran nomor 101 yang akan datang. Dan sekarang, goodbye, listeners.